Tonight I'm making beef Wellington. Open the steak.
Rub some
Add olive oil. Add salt and pepper. Add Dijon mustard. Brown sugar. More brown sugar. Take the leaf off. Add the thyme.
Sugar, minced garlic,
Yeah.
and a little bit of fresh thyme.
Fresh herbs are the best.
Beautiful.
Massage all the ingredients into the steak. These are already looking fantastico. Crack the egg with the egg.
That's it.
Add 1 tablespoon of water. And roll in the prosciutto.
So finish chopping up your prosciutto. I'm gonna
Add olive oil to the pan. Get the oil really hot. Quickly test it if the pan not hot enough.
perfect sizzle.
Go straight to the pan. And then I'm going to flip it. Taking the steak out.
Roll out the pastry.
You have to elongate it so it'll go around the beef Wellington.
Potatoes.
Let's add in the
And we're going to just brush all
prosciutto.
the edges.
Can you spread the eggs?
I think I can spread an egg, yeah. We'll put a little bit there, a little bit there. 4 corners. Are you ready for this? Now we'll spread them. Yeah. Ooh, look at that. Getting all that good stuff spread. Egg wash, egg wash. 1 corner, 2 corner. Oh, that didn't get 2 corner. 3 and 4 corners. Now spread them. Whoa, look at that.
Thank you.
Why, thanks for asking me, Braden. That was kind of fun.
You too.
Beef Wellington. Whoa, I'm impressed. Get a little more. Cool. Pull it up and cover the meat. Yeah. Pulling it, okay. There's one edge. And bring it forward. Okay. Good. Now we'll just keep working around the edges. Okay, here's the next one. You can grab the edge.
There's a little bit of caramelization and color,
Okay,
and then
pull
we
it
can take
to
them
you.
out. But mine are only about halfway there, so I'm gonna keep them going. Nice. Put these back in the oven. I'm trying to see a little color, but a little
Okay.
cleanup. Give
And
everybody a
fold
minute
it.
here. I know we were putting Wellingtons together. Very
We
hard.
just put the Wellington together.
Right.
Coat it with the egg wash. Sample. Yummy. Put them in the oven. Topping with arugula. Mashed potato, carrot, and beef Wellington. That's it. So good, dang good. Let's eat.